Welcome back again to my channel. Please subscribe. Today I want to lecture you on how to edit video on Inshot. Everything you need to know about Inshot is what I want to teach you now. First of all, you open Inshot app. Try and upgrade your Inshot. So the first one, if you open your Inshot app, you will see something like this. So if you want color, photo or video editing, so first of all, I want to teach on video editing. So please like the video if you don't know how to edit video using your phone. So learn it now. I will teach you everything about Inshot. So if you click on video, these ones are the previous videos that I edited in my app. So if I want to continue with previous editing, I will just click on this one. Are you seeing it? I will just click on this one. Then if you want to remove the Inshot watermark, you tap here and remove it. This one is for free. Tomorrow, another day, you have to remove it. But if you want to remove it permanently, it means that you will pay 1,620 naira, depending on your currency amount. So let me remove it for free. So let me go back because this is not a fresh video. Then I open it again. If there is another video that I edited that I'm not seeing here, this one is the last 3 videos I edited in my phone. So I will click on this draft. These ones now are the videos I edited in my phone. So these ones are the videos. Anyone I want to continue with, I will continue with it. So you click on new if you want to start a new video, if you want to create a new video. Then if it is picture and if you want to edit on picture, you select here. If it is video, here. If it is all, you click here, which means picture and the video. Okay. Let me start with video. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Okay. I will click on this video now. Let's start with this. Okay, let me start with this video. Let me start with this video. I'll click on good. First of all, let me reduce my volume because of I don't know the music the video is having. Okay, so this video now, let me remove the Inshot watermark. So that's it. As you are seeing now, look at this plus now. This plus now means if you want to add more videos, or photos to your editings, you click on here. If you want blank, for instance, let's go on blank. See it. Then this blank now is coming before the video I selected. What do you have to do to push it at the back? You long press on it. You drag this one to this side. Then tap on this blank. Like see this video now. Then you play it. So if you want to check what you are doing, after this video now, you see the blank. This video now, you see you seen it. Then at this blank, if you want to act like thanks for watching, or please subscribe. Then after it, you mark it done, play it. Play. Yes, we got it. So then I continue again. Let's go back again. Then if you want to add more video or photos, you go back again here now in this plus. You select video or photo. If you want to add photo, you click on photo, then another one. This photo is coming before the video, so I want to push it back so that after the video the photo will be displayed. I'll unpress it again, drag the one, I drag the video maybe here. Okay, let's play it. Photo first. Then if I want to, like, this photo now contains 5 seconds. If I want to add more seconds to it or decrease it, I can drag it here. I drag it here. We got it. So that's it. After the video, then the picture again. So that's it. Remember to like this video. We are still teaching. Then what next? Then the main teaching now starts. So we teach all these icons. So the first one, canvas. Like if you want to edit the video shape or the size of the video, or yes, a video shape, you click on this canvas. So it means that, like, okay, if you want to use YouTube shape, I'll just tap here. If I want to use TikTok, that here now. If you want to use any shape I want to, this one 3x4, any size I want to use. So that's it. Then if you want to zoom the video or the picture, you can drag it here, drag it here. So if you want to use like maybe now I want to upload it on YouTube, so I want to use YouTube size 16:9. So that's it. Remember then this one is Instagram size 4:5. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. That's it. So we move. Then the second one, if you want to add music, I will teach you everything about this one. Then here now you click on tracks. These tracks, the first one, if you want to attract audio from video, you click on this one now, attract audio from video. So if you want to attract from this this video now, I'll just let me decrease this volume. I don't want the volume to add. So if I want to cut the video, I'll click it here. I will drag it. If I want to like edit on the video, maybe from here to here, I will mark it good. Then here now, if you want to save it as audio, it will be saved to your Inshot app. You click here now to save. You type the name. So that's it. I don't want to save it. I'll mark good. See the video here now. So if I play this video now, if I play this editing video now, this sound now will also be playing. So if you want to use only this sound now, if you want to fade it at the beginning, if you want to fade it at the end, that's it. If I want to decrease the volume, maybe it will be sounding like background audio, I'll just keep the volume to 5% or 3%. So I want the normal volume. I mark good. So that's it. Then let's go back again. Then I'll mark it good. Let's go back again. Then had it been I saved the video, if I want to import it, I'll click on import. So these ones are the sound I saved. Okay, let me increase the volume. See this one now. So that's it. See this one. So I used to use this one to edit my comedy. So that's it. Then this one is favorite. Anyone you saved like as your favorite. That's it. Then this one, if you want to use copyrighted music, you can use these ones now, like free copyrighted music with link. Like see this one, you download it first. Let me decrease the sound. So these ones now, we still on copyrighted music. You copy the link and paste it to your YouTube description and use the sound. So that's it. Then we go on music. If you want to this one now, we are done by featured. Then this one now, music. If you want to use your music, like music from your audio play, your audio music in your phone, your memory card, these ones now are the music in my phone. So if you want to use it as background sound, I will just use it. So this one is the effect, TikTok effect. If you want to use like transitions, all these bell, all these things, so that's it. Let's go back to another one. Then the second one, this one is the second one. So here now on that recording, if you want to use your voice and do the video, or you don't want to attach music from the video, you just click on that recording. After recording, you tap on this stop it and so make it good. But I don't want to make it good. I'll cancel it. So that's it. Then the next one, sticker. If you want to add sticker to the editings, like share or all these things, if you want to edit it, if you want to remove it, flip it, that's it. These ones are stickers. Then the next one, text. If you want to add text, like please subscribe, that's it. Then if you want to add the color, I click on the color, set my color, add background color, add shadow, add label, that's it. If you want to edit on the font, you select on the font. If you want to edit the effect, how it will come as, this one are the effects. So you click on good. So that's it. Are you seeing it? That's all about text. Then the next one, filter. Filter. If you want to edit the image filter, like brighten it, are you seeing the brightness? These ones, are you seeing it? Or you want to use a normal filter color like black and white, all these things. So Inshot has many things. Remember to like the video. Then the next one, peep. If you want to add video to your videos, okay, let me just add a little video to my video. Let me add video to my video. What else do I need to do? Let me add video before that here. Okay. Remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So that's it. See the video now. You play it. Are you seeing the video? If you want to edit it, you can edit. Two videos are playing the same time. The same thing if you want to add picture. If you want to add picture, that's it. So I have to delete it. If you want to split the video, if you want to delete the video, if you want to like any edit you want to make on it, these ones are the edits. If you want to duplicate it, you copy and move it. If you want to crop it, it's your choice. So that's it. That's all about it. So the next one, pre-cut. Pre-cut. This one now, if you want to edit, okay, let me remove this video. If I go on here and remove it, then I continue. Pre-cut. If I want to cut the video or that kind of a thing, I'll just cut the video. That's it. So these ones now are the basic things. Then split. If I want to split the video, as it's playing here like this now, then I want to split it here. I'll split it, maybe, and edit it, carry it to the end. That's it. So if I want to change the next one, if I want to delete anyone, you select. This one is the blank. I want to delete it. I will tap on delete. This one is this one. I tap on delete. It's this blank. I delete. Then the next one is background. Anyhow you okay. The next one is background. You click on this one, background. If I want the background color to be red, any color I want to choose. If I want it to be blunt, that kind of a thing. So look at it. Look at it. So that's it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel because this teaching will help you. You don't need to pay anybody in learning anything about this thing. Remember, we teach other things in our channel. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So if you want to edit the speed of the video, like slow motion, here now, you click here, the video will be too fast. The video will be too fast. Are you seeing it? Very fast. So, but if you want to reduce the speed, here now, you select here. Are you seeing it? So that's it. Remember to like the video. Then the next one, crop. If you want to crop this video, are you seeing it? Remember, let's go to YouTube mode. Okay, let's go to black background. See, I've cropped the video. I've cropped the video. Then let me remove, let me delete this text. Okay, see the video, I've cropped it. So let me go back and put it to normal size. So that's it. The next one is volume. If you want to add volume, if you want to, like the video you are editing, if you want to reduce the volume, you reduce it. If you want to use background music and you don't want the volume at all, like the volume of the video you are editing, that's here. You click on it and add the volume you want to add. So that's it. This one is replaced. This one is if you want to duplicate it, you click on duplicate. That's it. So these ones doesn't mean anything. If you want to freeze the video, you click on freeze. So this is everything about Inshot editing. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful to you. So I froze the video. It will just hang. It will just hang. Just like that. Are you seeing it? So please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank God we teach everything about Inshot. Be blessed.